Chana Pulao. ½ cup oil. 1 onion. Add to bay leaves. 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Now add 3 to 4 cloves, black pepper, cinnamon sticks, and black cardamom. Add 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon ginger powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon red chili, add boiled chickpeas, 1 cup. Add 1 1/2 cup water. Cover it and cook for 15 minutes. Add rice 1 cup. Cover it and cook until water dries. Add 1 teaspoon biryani masala. Add 1 garam masala powder. Add to green chilies. Now put it for dum at least 10 minutes. If you like the video, subscribe, share, like, and comment.